Mastering international tax law compliance, some considerations. Navigating the complex realm of international tax law is crucial for businesses operating on a global scale. Here are some points for consideration. Understanding the tax jurisdiction requirement. Understand the unique tax law and regulations of each country where your business operates, including filing and reporting requirements. Stay proactive and informed about the evolving tax regulation across jurisdictions to avoid potential pitfalls. Implementing effective transfer pricing policies. Pay meticulous attention to the pricing of transactions between affiliated entities across borders. Ensure your pricing policies are fair, adhere to the arm's length principle, and are well documented to reflect market conditions. Leverage tax treaty provisions. Check the applicable tax treaty to prevent double taxation. Stay updated on treaty changes that could affect businesses' tax obligations. Adhering to reporting requirements. Understand and comply with the extensive reporting obligations involved in international tax compliance to ensure compliance and maintain transparency. Implementing robust documentation practices. Maintain robust documentation of different transactions, especially those involving cross-border activities. Detailed records of transfer pricing policies, intercompany transactions, and relevant agreements demonstrate a commitment to compliance. Robust documentation practices not only support your tax position but also serve as a defense in case of audits or inquiries. Building a collaborative compliance culture. Establish a culture of collaboration among legal, finance, tax, and other teams. Foster regular cross-border communication to ensure that everyone is on the same page regarding regulatory requirements or changes. Embracing advanced technology solutions. Utilize tax monitoring tools and AI-driven platforms for effective data compilation and analysis. Streamline your international tax processes with advanced compliance software and automation tools. Continuous education and training. Keeping abreast of the latest development in international tax law requires ongoing education and training. Empowering teams with the necessary knowledge and skill ensure that businesses remain proactive in addressing compliance challenges. Regular training programs can be tailored to specific jurisdictions, providing teams with the expertise needed to navigate complex international tax landscapes. Mitigating risk and preserving reputation. The stakes in international businesses are high and compliance becomes the shield against financial risk and legal repercussions. Non-compliance with its potential penalties and legal entanglements has the power to undermine the stability and of enterprises operating globally. Committing to international tax compliance is a strategic and proactive journey requiring vigilance and adaptability. By mastering regulatory intricacies, leveraging technology, fostering collaboration, and staying informed, businesses can navigate the global landscape responsibly.